Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yomara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel.
I got too much to say. Yeah, I got too much to say.
Okay guys, so in today's video, I did a sleek low pony tutorial. Throughout the video, I'm going to be doing a voiceover, so I'm just going to be teaching you how I do my sleek backs. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias down below. And stay tuned for more hair tutorials, guys. Please comment down below like any other hair tutorials you would like me to do, and I'll definitely do it for you. So if y'all want to see this look, stay tuned and keep watching. Hey y'all, so for this style I did a middle part, and I used my rat tail comb on my edge brush to get a defined middle part. So right here you see me, trying to perfect it. And normally for us curly girls, our hair has to be damped and moisturized for this style. So I used the Carol's Daughter hair milk before styling. Also, just a heads up, I have a widow's peak, but it is not in the middle of my forehead, which is weird. But I try to work with it, or I sometimes do my part where my widow's peak is at. And I think I did that in this video, which is hilarious. But we're just going to keep going, honestly. That's why you really see me try to perfect it. But so yeah, as I said before, I used the Carol's Daughter hair milk. So I used a hefty amount of product because I have thick curly hair, and this product leaves my hair so soft and manageable for this style because it mixes in with the gel so well so that my hair can actually lay flat. As you can see, I like to rake the product through my hair because raking with your fingers causes less breakage. And then I like to go in with my detangling brush to make sure my hair is all the way detangled, because you will want your hair to be as flat as possible with no lumps. Also, when I do brush my hair, I like to hold the roots because holding the roots does cause less breakage from when you brush from the bottom up, basically. So yeah. So right here I'm using my Wetline Extreme Gel, and I love this gel so much because it barely leaves any flakes in my hair. And I kind of use a lot, I am not gonna lie, I use a lot of damn gel, but it is so good to moisturize your hair before using a lot of gel because it definitely leaves your hair moisturized without causing a lot of breakage, basically. So yeah, I basically just put it all around my hair, all on the sides, to where I'm basically gonna brush down my hair and create a nice sleek look. So right here I used my detangling brush before my hard brush because I feel like brushing the gel through my hair first makes the style even more sleek. So yeah, I do that. Also, I know I'm not gentle when I'm brushing my hair with the gel, but please be gentle when you're brushing your hair with gel because your hair can break. So right here I use my hard brush, and I brush for a minute because I really want my hair to be as sleek as possible. And I honestly love these kinds of styles because it's so easy to do, honestly. So what I like to do is I start on one side of my hair, and then I keep brushing, and then I just keep brushing until I feel literally no lumps in my hair. So yeah, I start on that side and then I go to the other side and I start molding the ponytail basically, but I keep brushing until I get my hair as flat as possible. So yeah. So right here, I'm literally taking the edge brush and I am swooping my hair. And I honestly don't know how else to explain the way I'm doing my edges. I'm literally just brushing them down and holding the top of my edges so that I can be able to create a swoop, I guess you can say. But yeah, and I also use the end of my edge brush, the rat tail comb, to create the shape of the baby hairs. So yeah, it's real easy, y'all, and I just love doing these types of styles. So let me know if you would like me to do any other like style baby hairs, because this is honestly like my Alright, y'all, so when I tell you you need to get this product, you need to get this product. This is the Lotta Body Mousse styling product, and I love it so much because it really defines my curls. Like, literally, it really defines my curls. So yes, you should get it, and I got it from Amazon. So alright, y'all, so right here, I basically just fix up any little lumps that I see, and just to make it, as sleek as possible, I just add more edge control or more gel, and I just use my edge brush and I just brush it down. So yeah, and I also did not need a scarf for this style because my hair was already sleek enough basically, and since the product made my hair really soft, I did not need to use a scarf at all. So yeah. Alright, so this is how the style came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love filming these type of videos, and if you would like me to do any other hairstyle, please let me know. DM me on Instagram, or comment down below. So yes, let me know how you guys like it. Yes, the baby hairs is given. They really freaking given. Okay, girl, don't mind the excess gel, but it's really given, and I just love doing my hair, point blank period. Alright guys, that concludes my hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. But anyways, I love y'all. Bye guys.